Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to give a demonstration on creating a database manually in your Linux servers. Assuming that you already covered my earlier videos coming till this point. At this point, I assume that you already completed Oracle software installation with Oracle user and bash profiles have been set properly. Anyway, in this video, I'm going to show you what these bash profile contents look like. First of all, let me log into it. I switched from Oracle user and checking the contents of bash profile. You could see Oracle home, unique name, base, home, SID. These are must. You need to make sure what your Oracle SID should be and where you have installed your Oracle home. So once these things are done, I assume that step 1 of this video is completed. If not, you can change accordingly. These are customized to your look and feel and requirement. Into the step 2, we need to go to Oracle home. Let me show you. This is the directory where my Oracle home looks like. You need to move to DBS directory, listing the files over here. You need to copy this file to Oracle SID.ora and let's make the changes in this file. The file contents should be changed according to your SID, where you want to put your ADUM, your flash recovery area and all the other stuff. So I have created that. Let me copy and paste over here. Based on this, you can choose your own information. Let me delete all this stuff and paste the ones that look like familiar to me. I just wanted to go with all the base with Web Center Oracle and my SID I have changed over here. Here, flash recovery area, full names I have provided, and for the control file name I have created like this. So based on your requirement, you can change all the settings. You can pause over here, note down your settings and proceed further with this installation. So anyway, I'm just right quit. Step 3 is to create some of the directories which are missing. Like in the init file, let me provide you. We need to create this directory, this one, and Aura data. So all this stuff which are missing, we need to create it right now. So I'm going to do that by using this make directory command. Let me put that and say enter and verify the directory structure which got created. Now it's all fine. Since it's in blue color, you won't be able to see it properly. Now moving to step 4, we need to create the database. To do that, you need to make sure if there are any Oracle processes. If this is the first time, you won't be seeing any, but this will be useful if you are doing some restarting of this stuff due to some issues. Be careful, there are no Oracle processes. You need to connect to Oracle as sysdba and start the database in nomount state. The command is startup nomount. You need to leave a couple of seconds to get it nomount state. Before proceeding further, let me show you the contents of createdb, host, cat, createdb.sql. Say enter. These are the contents. You need to make sure your database name over here, systemdbf, sysox, these two are mandatory files, and you can go for a bit lesser space, but based on my requirement, I have bumped up all the values. You need to go for your undo table space, and it is must that you need to make sure this name undo tbs should be equal to the name you have provided in your init file, else it will be failed. And I have provided my temp, log files, and finally the control file reuse. This control file reuse will become very handy whenever your scripts get failed due to missing directories, missing names, and you fix that, you try to run this command. This control file reuse will be very handy at that time. But anyways, I hope yours will be successful in the very first attempt. If you are following all this stuff for this video, make sure you take care of all the precautions. Next step we gotta do is execute this file @createdb, and without extension of SQL is working fine either. Say enter. All you gotta do is sit back and wait for the database to be created. It takes some time. Now you see database got created. It took me at least 30 to 40 seconds or below 1 minute. In case you got to this place, you are very successful. This completes our step 4, and step 5 is to create some of the internal database views. This can be done by running catalog and catproc.sqls, giving some profiles using pubbuild. To do that, I'll be creating yet another script. You can choose your own preferred way, like whether you can use textpad or notepad or going for ed directly if you have that editor integrated to your SQL prompt. So anyway, let me go with host and some name like postdb create.sql. Say enter. This is a VI editor, and let me put this Oracle home rdbms admin catalog.sql @Oracle home rdbms admin catproc. But to run the third one, you need to connect as system. If you have mentioned system default password as something else, you can change that. If it is manager, you can go for a system/manager. This is by default, but security reasons you gotta change by yourself. Anyway, the last one is pubbuild. So these are 3 scripts I'm going to run. So let me right create it, executing this stuff. Even this will take some more time, like synonyms created, grant succeeded, and it's going to create huge stuff. So based on your configuration, this might run for half an hour, 15 minutes. So it's up to you to plan accordingly while this task is going on. I'll be back soon once this step is done and this completes your manual creation of the database. So all you gotta do is be careful when you're editing your init files and your scripts. Make sure the under tablespace names, database name, locations, and all these things are in perfect state, else you'll be stuck up somewhere in creating the database. Better hint is, whenever you are having some mess up with creating the database, after fixing, you try to restart and you'll be getting some more issues. The issues are like already existing, or sometimes the directory is not existing. So pay more attention to the logs and finally fix them. All the best. Hope you create your own database manually in your Linux servers. Stay tuned and watch more and more videos in this series. You can subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss up any of the videos. I'll be back soon after a few minutes, but in this video you won't find that weightage. You'll be finding the results very soon. You can see it's still running, and now it's the end of pubbuild.sql. All the scripts have been executed. This completes the step 5 and our manual database creation as well as the post steps. Let us see how the database looks like right now. You can see status from $instance, it's open. Let us see the number of table spaces. Clearing the screen. These are the things we got created: system, sysocs, undo, temp, and user data. Let's see how many objects got created in this database. It's around 12,638. And you can navigate other stuff and confirm whether your database is in good health or not. Let me check the processes. So this completes the verification part. You can do whatever you want on top of this database. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned and subscribe to get more and more videos. You're not going to miss even a single one if you do the subscription. If you like this video, click like button and share to your friends and colleagues. Hope you enjoyed all the series, right from installation, prerequisites, installation of the Oracle software, and the database now with the post steps. If you have any more doubts or comments, you can straight away write in these videos in the description below. I'm really pleased to spend so much of time in these videos. Hope you got some sort of knowledge and confidence how to create a database. It's your turn now. I'll be seeing you with your databases. You can share up your experiences. This is Kiran signing off.